up, my citizens? This is Second Mobile, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a Powerpuff size in Robloxian High School. But I have to make Buttercup because she's a tough one, like I am. First one, just go to the dress up and find the head of the Powerpuff Girl. Well, you gotta remove the head into headless. There you go. And you go to the clothing and search eye. And right there, yeah, I'm gonna choose the normal eye. I think I'm gonna go to the body and let's go. But I'm gonna go to this. And it's a scale of the accessories. And let's go to the body. Then up and upper body height into a bit lower. But the legs are still taller, so I'm gonna have to make it smaller too. As you see, that's me and just the weight is too weird to the weight is too weird, so I have to fix it. And there you go. Now let me just pause the video. So guys, I have to make Blossom first because for Buttercup it is loading it. So yeah, you should go make Blossom first. Here goes her face. And let's just resize it a bit. And just go and there you go. And we should remove the black hair because Blossom doesn't have a black hair. She has orange hair. Or maybe like red hair. Because she was born like a fiery redhead.
Yeah, it will be.
I'll be right back for a second. My dad told me to drink water. I'm back from drinking water, so just in case. So since we don't have a ponytail, so I'm gonna search ponytail. Because Blossom has a ponytail. I'm looking for ponytails, and I have to retexture it into orange. Nope, not that one. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I have to pick this ponytail because but I had to add another bow because that bow will be retextured into orange, so I had to add another one. So I had to retexture it, so I'll be right back in a second, and I should pause the video. Alright, so pause and copy this ID to make you understand. Now for the other bow, I have to add another one. So let me search bow on the hats. looking for a ball. I bet this one looks better. So I have to pause real quick. Alright. I can I can wait for you guys in 1 second. But no, 5 seconds. Like you can pause it to make you understand. To make you copy easily. Then set. Alright, and we should move it up down. No, not the hair. Just this one. I'm gonna make it bigger from back. There you go. Now I just completely made the blossom head. But now we should not forget about the clothes. Mm, you can pick this one, this color, to make your skin look like an actual peach skin color. Now let's go to the clothes. But doesn't have any shirt ID, so it only has pants. So let me pause quickly. I will be right back. Alright, I should import the pants ID into this code ID. I repeat, you can pause and copy this to make you understand. And you should gonna remove the shirt. It's not gonna be able to remove the shirt. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna find something. It's okay if you can just get this ID. Like, I know being shirtless is weird, but I'm not gonna make it shirtless to blossoms. Like, I'm not gonna. Well, no, whatever. So, there you go. And that's how you make Blossom from the Powerpuff Girls. And and that's how you make Blossom from the Powerpuff Girls. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. And hold on, and I'll see you all next time. But I gotta add the animations since I just forgot the animations. So let this be bubbly. And that is how you make Blossom from the Powerpuff Girls. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all next time. Up next, how to make bubbles from the Powerpuff Girls in Robloxian High School.